All right, boys. I got a market recap. I did not take any trades today. Nothing set up. So yeah, I was disciplined though. I was able to completely stick to what I know and my rules, and not break my rules. So a day like that is a good day for me. Nothing wrong with that. No money loss. Capital preservation is key. So sorry, I'm just drinking my coffee. But all right. So we'll start on the daily time frame here. Coming into the daily time frame here. I see we're sweeping daily highs. So immediately after sweeping daily highs, I'm immediately bearish. I don't, um, I'm very bearish on the day overall. I'm kind of not too interested in longs, but we also had bearish SMT because NQ did not take that high, that daily high. So a daily bearish SMT is a great confluence of mine. So definitely looking to take shorts here. But what happened though? I scaled it down to the 5 minute here. So I wait for 5 minute displacement and then a 5 minute retracement. Once we got our 5 minute retracement right here, that was after sweeping the lower resistance right here. This internal 5 minute liquidity here, meaning that is what my take profit would have been since we shit the bed and came down so far. I'm not really looking to take a short from there because that is essentially where my take profit would have been. So my trade idea is no longer that valid. I guess I could have taken this as a retracement and then because we shit the bed, but we still wouldn't have hit any key lows here. But yeah, I also saw this as accumulation, manipulation, sweeping daily highs, and then of course distributed to the downside. This was looking clean. I really wanted to take a short. I can't lie. It just looks so perfect to me. But again, I never got that retracement in time, so I couldn't. Cause bro, if you understand the power of three, like this is literally all you need. But yeah, same thing here. Just never got that retracement, so I couldn't trade that, right? So I was patient. I was just waiting to see if we want to come sweep out this hourly sell side right here, which price did come down and sweep, and we also had a bearish SMT here because ES didn't take that low. So we had the hourly sweep scale down to the 5 minute again, and I saw we were displacing past. We were displacing past this 5 minute imbalance. We completely inversed it with momentum. That is showing me that we are completely disrespecting bearish price action. And from there, that was essentially my break of structure. But I was patient enough to just wait for this break of structure here on the 5 minute. So once we also had that change in state of delivery here on the 5 minute, but scale onto the 1 minute here. I needed to wait for a 5 minute retracement though. So we got that right around 1:15 p.m. Oh, this is a PM session trade. Sorry for not mentioning that. This is I didn't trade, but this was a PM session. What the PM session was essentially just looking like. So, I saw we had that retracement here into nothing. We inversed this 1 minute. We were just chopping around here, and we had our market structure shift here because I at this point I needed another market structure shift because we just broke structure to the downside here, so I needed to see another back to the upside, and then an imbalance filled here, which we did, and we got bullish displacement out of it. So this is where I did not take the trade because I was just too hesitant with this price action on a no news Monday during PM session. It just did not seem like the correct trade to take, and I kind of was like, you know what, like I need to see literally like the perfect setup. This kind of chop work, right? Like we didn't really break out of this range yet. We broke out of this range, but not enough for me. And it like the main reason I didn't take it right is because a no news Monday PM session is just we weren't moving fast. We were moving quite slow actually. And then also I think it was ES. Yeah, ES. We had these 5 equal highs here, and ES was already so close to them. So the second that ES took it, we'd have bearish SMT, and NQ wouldn't be close to it, so I'd have to close my trade pretty much, and I didn't want to have to do that, so didn't take the trade. But anyway, my daily bias throughout the whole day was correct, right? It kept playing out in my favor. Swept those daily highs, completely displaced lower, sweeping out hourly lows, and then displaced higher. That's how the market moves, from external liquidity to internal. So I'm pretty, I'm pretty content about this day. Just, you know, preserving my capital. So nothing wrong with this day. I knew exactly what the market would have done. There was, like, if I wasn't using the 5-minute retracement, right, if I decided to disregard it, right, which I would never do because I'm not breaking my rules. We tapped into this 1 minute and displaced out of it. So, like, I would have taken this if I didn't use that retracement. And I know a lot of traders that took this trade. But like I said, it's not my rules. This isn't how I trade. You could essentially say this is the retracement, just the consolidation here. Like, when we accumulate right after sweeping the high, some people maybe would have considered that, but literally we had no bullish candle until right here. But anyway, I also, by the way, coming into PM session, saw we were accumulating here, and then we manipulated to the downside, sweeping hourly lows to then distribute back to the upside. This is a mini accumulation. I don't know how you would really consider this accumulation. Like, you could, like, I personally kind of view this as accumulation where we're just kind of chopping in range and then just manipulate it lower to distribute to the upside. That's kind of how I viewed that. But yeah, that's gonna be for the video here. What was this? Bank, right? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, whatever. You understand. I already have a whole video going over this, so yeah. It's just this is the type of price action that I like to see here. Something I recently added into my trading, and I've already seen how much better I'm able to read price and understand just market structure in general, because usually, like, I won't notice these types of things, but using it as confluence to give confidence to my trading has helped my hesitation, which is one of my biggest problems, just lack of confidence. So this has helped my hesitation a lot. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. No trades. Was able to read price perfectly today and content with the day. So yeah, that's it, boys.